Alright guys, so just in case you haven't already read about it online, it does come with the transmitter already inside. It's got the SCX10 servos, AR45 portal axles, and you can just pause this anytime if you want to slow it down, kind of look through it. It does come with a motor already inside, it's brushed, and you can always upgrade that later. Oops. Extended frame rail. So this one is the longer version. The other one is a 12.3 wheelbase. It does come with a licensed 3-piece wheel, so there really are 3-piece speed locks. And has LED lights already installed, so you can use those light buckets in there. Alright guys, let's get this popped open. Let's see. Here. And that's next. Alright, let's see which way do we pull it out. There we go.
Whoa! That's so cool. It's like a real person inside, too.
There's a person? Yo, it comes with the interior.
So it looks like a real
Alright, so
car.
I'm not used to how the new RC cars are. Guess they do come with interiors on some of them. I never had them before. I just get the clear Lexan bodies.
Look at the
Alright,
whole can.
transmitter.
Close it before you cut yourself. Okay?
Transmitter looks pretty nice. Foam all over the steering wheel. Looks like if you get a smart battery, you can actually check the battery levels over here on the front. Alright, there's a bind button. Yeah, brake rate, trim, steering trim, throttle trim, and steering rate. Okay, throttle limit. Everything's here on the top. There's a lot of controls, so you can mess with it a little bit more. I'm gonna put that aside. Wow, for Lexan body, this is pretty stiff. And this thing feels pretty firm. So I did look online, and you could get like all the door handles. You can get the actual pieces already made by Knight Customs. Oops, let's see what I gotta rip off of here. How do I get it out? Let me out. I just want to drive it. I don't have my tools on me. All right, it's out. Alright, there you go. There's the truck. Longer wheelbase. Got all the instructions inside this part. In here, manuals, batteries, some, what is this? I don't know, some spare parts. It looks like some casing. I don't know, I'll take a look at it later. Tools for the wheels to be removed. I think some body pins in there too. Tires feel pretty good and soft. There we go. Looks like it's using Nitto tires. Yeah, they're licensed Nitto tires on this one too. And I don't know a lot about this truck. Suspension feels pretty good. So I'm gonna go do a full drive-through with the actual truck, show you a little bit more about it. It does have headlight buckets And then there is a sticker on top of it, so it kind of looks like a decal. But like I said, you can get extra pieces even over here on the back. You can put like a tire, spare tire in the rear end, and it'll have a third brake light just right above it, and it'll be functional. You can do the same thing. Get a winch, replace the front end. Sorry, a winch. And look at that body. Everything's encased, so you pretty much won't get that much dust in here. And then you can even change these rails. You can add some new ones to the side, so that like some step rails. Let's get it charged up and start driving it. Check out this Gladiator body. Looks sick. So I made a mistake with what I was calling it, but you could get the door hinges. You can get upgraded door hinges from Night Customs, and they'll make you look more like the real thing. So you can get rid of these little stickers on the side. But even for the stickers being on there, it's not bad at all. Look at this thing. Like I said, it's on Nitto tires. Check out the tread on there. Dude, this thing is tight. Like, it just looks hella realistic. It's basically what I was trying to look for when I started switching into this truck. Because the Barrage is cool and all, it can climb, but it just doesn't look like a real vehicle like this one does. So I don't know, it just gives you a different feeling. It's almost like you're actually buying a real truck. Like, look at that. You can even swap out the grill, so you can put a whole new one in there. Like, the wheels are actual 3-piece wheels with licensed tires by Nitto. Like, just look at this. You can even get door hinges, so that way they aren't these little sticker things on there. So I mean, that's cool, because from far away it doesn't look bad. I mean, maybe it looks weird on camera, but at least you can stick some real pieces on it, like these door handles. So you'll have actual door hinges that'll match, just like you'll see on a real Gladiator. And look at this. You could do all kinds of custom attachments that you can stick on here. And just like on your real truck that you would have at home. And it's dope when you look inside. I didn't even know this. The kids had to spot it for me, but you could actually see a driver on the inside. So I didn't really want to get it on its side, but kind of have to, just to show you what's going on here. I couldn't find the body clips for heck long, but I just like flipped this thing over on that side, and there they are. So you can pop these out, take the body off. So on all 4 corners, and they're all the way into the front too. So with them doing that, it makes the truck look even more real. When you're looking at it from the top, you don't see body clips. Motors up here on the front side. Look at that suspension. Man. Get out of the light for you so you can see it. Alright, and there's that replica engine everyone's talking about. Kind of covers where the motor is. And then the transfer case looks like a real transmission right there. Let's see what's under there. You got your ESC, it's all waterproof. And here's where you hide your battery. Man, this thing's sick. And you gotta be careful when you pop it off. I didn't realize that the LED wires were gonna be sticking out. So when I yanked it, kind of pulled it right out of here, pull out the socket. But no big deal, it's just for the rear taillights. Little attention here. Just letting you know about the battery, how to connect and disconnect. On off switch. And this thing's so stacked. Ooh, I can't wait to drive it. So now if you look under the body, here's where the interior is. So if you want to swap it out and do anything with it, you can get that taken care of. I'm thinking I'm probably going to put an actual figure in there, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. So the headlight buckets are functional. See that right here. It's all wired up, just simple tape. And the rear ones too. LEDs up here in the corners. Ooh, I just noticed this right now. The fenders are actually removable. So there's little screws on the sides. You can take them apart. Replace those fenders. Maybe you can go wider. Front and rears. Look at that. Man, the detail on this thing is crazy. Keep it in the middle.